there is no question of imposing the language of the North on the South. As a matter of fact, it is the will of all our people that we should have one common language. We have always felt that no nation can express its soul unless it speaks through its own language. During the struggle for freedom, someone said that it was impossible to win freedom through the English language. I believe it is equally necessary for us to realize that it is not possible for us to maintain our freedom through another language. Therefore, whenever I have to address any meeting in the English language, I feel that I am doing something which is rather awkward for me. During the last 30 years or more, I have always spoken at scores of meetings in my own language. I have, in a sense, lost the art of speaking in English. Still, when I come to these parts, I have to speak in the English language. I can only hope that all those who do not understand what I am talking now will excuse me for my inability. In due course, they will get a translation of my speech through the newspapers, which I am told are very well represented at this meeting. Para, this is only by way of introduction. I am anxious that in all our work we should give great importance to the cultivation of a common language for India. The government will undoubtedly do whatever is necessary in this connection. However, here more than anywhere else, it is necessary that people should try to achieve the purpose through their own independent efforts. It has been my privilege to be associated with the work of the Hindi Prachar Sabha in the South for a very long time, and it has given me immense pleasure to attend meetings for distribution of prices and certificates. Apart from that, what has amazed me and pleased me equally is that I have seen and given prices to three generations at one and the same time: father, son, and grandson. The younger the age, the greater have I found the proficiency. It is really a matter for congratulation that you in the South have taken to this work so seriously, and I have reason to hope that this problem will be solved by the end of the 15 years which the Constitution has given to us. We shall be in a position to conduct all our business through the medium of our own language.